go, Toyota champs, and today we've got something that I've been waiting for a long time to come in Australia. It is indeed the Belkin Boost Charge Pro 3-in-1 wireless charger with MagSafe. And I can tell you now, compared to this MagSafe, it is like night and day difference, a lot better. I mean, I'm not knocking this MagSafe, and actually they cost around the same sort of price. Can you believe this? This comes in a little box like this. And this thing here, look how big it is. Yeah, pretty much the same price, and this can charge your watch and charge your phone, or actually can charge that, but not three at once, right? And I'm not knocking this because it's really good to fold up and to travel with. You know, it is a good product, but this is much better. I mean, the only downside is you can't really, yeah, you probably could travel with it, but it's not really made for traveling. It is definitely made for setting up in your house and set and forget, and yeah. So anyway, let's unbox it, have a look, and we'll see. It does say there 15 watts charging, so that's not super fast, but it'll be interesting to see if there is actually a power brick in there, which you don't get with this one. So you actually have to buy a power brick, and when you buy a power brick, it's probably more expensive than this MagSafe wireless charger. And of course it does your phone, it does your AirPods Pro and iPhone 12s. Only iPhone 12s, that's the only ones it really does, because they're the only ones that are MagSafe compatible there. So look at that, straight away, woof, straight in there, well presented. Look at that. Oh, I love that. Look at it, straight away, just woof, you're straight into it. Okay, do we have a charger? Have a look inside here. What else we have? We do. We get the charger. And of course, you would expect you would. I was just being facetious, you know, taking the piss out of Apple for not including the charger, but it's not USB-C, by the way. It's actually just a normal sort of little power brick there, the barrel type charger. And yeah, it's nice and white. You can actually get this in black as well. So, I mean, there's not really much to it. I believe the magnet is really strong in it. Yeah. Oh, look at that. And look. Oh, okay. It's not that strong then. Oh, I just scratched my Mac. Yeah. Oh, come on. That's pretty strong. It's not going to fall off at all. So that's pretty cool. Let's see about the watch there. See about slapping that on. Just slap it, boom, there you go. And AirPods. Don't have my AirPods on me, I have to go grab them. But yeah, look at that. If that is not cool, I don't know what is cool. That is amazing. And yeah, basically that is it. That's all you need to know. Look at it. It's just a piece of art there. I will grab the AirPods. I like the white finish there, chrome there. It's a beautiful product. Yeah, you put your AirPods Pro there and woof, you're ready to rock. And 15 watts is a good amount of power. It's not going to destroy your battery that way, and because it's MagSafe, it has the magnets, so it's going to sit on right on the coils, so you should get, look, there's one thing there, it seems to be floating around. I don't know if I'll put that on properly then. No, yeah, I guess it can float around. You know, it's not as good suction as the Apple one, I would say. So if you want it to look pretty for the picture or whatever, you know, in reality, it's probably going to be like that or whatever. No, it seems okay. I'll just get the AirPods and yeah. Oh yeah, she's nice. I will say one thing here. It neatly tucks in there, so it's just got to go in there. The power brick. And it tucks in neatly. So yeah, it comes out the back easily there. Oh. So let's see what happens here. Alright, one chargy, yes, two chargy, oh, come up with a charge there, two chargy, and are we going to get a red light, orange light? There you go, woof. What more do you want, eh? I'll wear this around this way actually. What more do you want? Charges them all at once, 15 watts. It's so beautiful compared to the Apple product, and yeah, I won't belabor this. I would say it's probably the best wireless charger on the market. There have been multiple reviews out of this, and yeah, they're all positive. They reckon, yeah, this is the bee's knees or the mutt's nuts, whatever you want to call it. Much better than this, much better value. The only bonus, as I said before, is traveling with this one. Quick and dirty unboxing, and I'll update you on this in the future. So yeah, tellio.